Testing hearing can be carried out in a number of ways. And what I'd like to do in this short video is talk about two distinct types of testing, the screening test and the diagnostic test. So let's start with the screening test. What is a screening test? And by the way, you can go on to www.ascenthearing.co.uk now and you can actually do a screening test yourself, so you'll get the idea of what I'm talking about. But basically, in a nutshell, what a screening test is, it's a pass-fail test. You're presented with a fixed intensity signal and you either hear it and you pass, you respond positively, or if you don't hear it and you don't respond on that particular tone, you fail. And the test is carried out across the speech frequency range, normally between 250 Hertz or cycles per second to 8,000 Hertz or cycles per second. And at certain stations along that track of frequencies, the test drops in, so 500, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, and checks whether or not the tone is heard. This test is normally carried out using headphones that isolate the right ear from the left ear. So a signal is directed into this red phone, which is conventionally put on the right ear, separately, and at a later time, the blue phone, which is put on the left ear. So basically, the client is fitted with headphones, they're adjusted to comfort, and then they listen for the test tone in the right ear, from the 250, the 500, the 1, and if they hear or not hear, they press the button if they hear it, and if they don't hear it, obviously they don't respond. It's a very quick test, and as I say, it's done at one level. So what you're doing is you're setting a level of screening, normally about 20 decibels above what is considered to be normal, and you're checking whether the client can hear at that level. If they can, across those test frequencies, they're considered to be within normal limits for hearing and no problem at all. That is what we mean by a screening test, and in the next video you can watch, I'll talk a little bit about the diagnostic test.